Salesflare is a customer relationship management (CRM) software designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses. It aims to simplify and automate the sales process by providing tools for contact management, pipeline management, email integration, and data automation. Go to Salesflare today, or book a free demo today, link in video description. With Salesflare, you can make more sales while spending less time managing data and emails. Never miss a follow-up again with effortless customer tracking. Share your customer conversations so you can address them as one team. Integrate with the rest of your toolset to boost your productivity. One of the key features of Salesflare is its automation capabilities, which help users streamline their sales workflows by automatically capturing and organizing customer data from various sources, such as emails, calendar events, and social media interactions. This automation reduces the need for manual data entry and allows sales professionals to focus more on building relationships and closing deals. Pricing: the basic plan starts from $29 in the growth plan, $49 in enterprise, $99. Salesflare also offers features such as email tracking, task management, and reporting/analytics to help sales teams stay organized and productive. Additionally, it integrates with other popular business tools like Google Workspace, Office 365, Slack, and more, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflows. Overall, Salesflare aims to provide a user-friendly CRM solution that helps businesses improve their sales processes, increase efficiency, and ultimately drive revenue growth. Try Salesflare for free today. Link in video description. Thank you for visiting our video. Have a nice day.